Hi there, students. Outright. This can be both an adverb and an adjective. So, outright, complete, entire, total. He denied the accusations outright. That is an outright lie. I was going to say downright, and I'll look at downright in a bit, although I do already have a video on it. Okay, so outright, completely, wholly, utterly. Again, outright, without reservation, without qualification. He responded to the question outright. Yeah, I've explained this outright. I've explained everything without any qualifications to what I say. Outright, immediately, at once. So two people were killed outright at the crash, and a further one died on their way to hospital. And then also outright, when you buy something outright, it's without the need for additional payments. You buy it in one. So he owns the house outright. He doesn't have a mortgage on it. Okay. Let's see. Outright victory. Yes, we can now say that this political party has won an outright victory in the elections. Without reservation, without qualifications, this money is an outright gift. Yeah, you don't have to pay it back. You don't have to do anything for it. It's just a gift. And then thorough, out and out. He is an outright coward. He's a thorough coward. Okay, so outright. Okay, so outright ownership, without limitations, without qualifications, complete and total. He's an outright bastard. Something that's straightforward and direct. He has a very outright manner. He asked outright how old I was, okay, without reservation, without hiding anything. Instantly. He did it outright in the moment. An outright refusal, unqualified. You could say a downright refusal. So I think in many ways downright is it's a close synonym. Let's see, downright, the first meaning is complete and absolute. That's a downright lie. That's an absolute lie. We also use downright to mean direct and to the point, unambiguous, unevasive. Yeah, so he answered the question outright. He gave a very downright answer to the question. And then really, actually, thoroughly, he was downright rude. I think I could probably say he was outright rude as well. Okay, so outright. Completely, wholly. I deny these allegations outright. Openly and without reservation. I have given you all of the details outright. He was very outright with the explanation of the situation. At once, immediately, particularly to be killed outright, to die outright. With no outstanding conditions or payments, to buy something outright, not to buy it on credit. Yeah? And then, I guess as well, outright, blatantly, inexcusably, that was outright stupid. It was downright stupid, would work very nicely as well. Okay, so outright, and then probably downright as well. Outright, completely and immediately. I think they should ban this type of advertising outright. Okay, immediately at the moment. Could you do it outright? So directly and plainly instead of in stages. We need an outright ban, I wouldn't use downright here, on the use of fossil fuels. Okay, a complete ban, a total ban. How formal is this? I think I would give it a 5 in formality. I think you can use it absolutely anywhere, and the origin is very clear. Outright, well, similar as downright. So unqualified. I demand an outright apology. Yeah. Total or complete. We achieved outright domination during the match. I don't want half truths and outright lies. Okay. This has been an explanation which is an outright deception, and then with no outstanding conditions. I don't seek outright independence, but I would rather have greater autonomy. Okay, so outright. Lots of different nuances. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Outright.